Hi guys, welcome to Cyprus Real Tech Review. And just as I said before on other videos, Samsung is actually quite true to their updates now. Here's the April 1st update, and as you can see here, it's almost a gigabyte in size. Now, let's just have a look through what we get and what's new. So we get enhanced usability of external input devices, which I'm guessing has to do with all the, keyboards and the Bluetooth devices that we can put now and how easily it will work with this tab. It supports S Pen pressure sensitivity recognition when using as a secondary monitor. So you'll be able to use your S Pen, I'm guessing most of the S Pen features, when using this tab as a second monitor. Enhanced usability of multi-window features. That I'm excited to see. And it supports screen recording function in DeX mode, as well as your camera, which supports high key mono, low key mono backdrop effect on the portrait effect. You've got the single take here. It adds 2 video filters, adds high key mono again, and low key mono backdrop effect, adds 2 video filters. And now with your front camera, it's possible to start recording with the palm of your hand. And the video call supports background effects function during a video call. So if anyone owns, if anyone's used Zoom, or I think it's on Zoom, but you can change a background effect on your video call. And obviously, the software update can include, but is not limited to, device stability improvements and bug fixes, new and or enhanced features, further improvements to performance. To get the best from your device, please keep your device up to date and regularly check your software updates. Now, in order for you to get your updates, right? Some people may not know. Some people just leave it on automatic. But to get it as quickly as possible, you're going to pull down your notification shade. You're going to go to settings up here. See that little cogwheel up there? You're going to go there. Let me get my trusty S Pen out. Right? Once you're in your settings, scroll all the way down, basically. And this is where we are. Scroll all the way down, and you're going to go here where it says software update. Once you're in software update, you're going to press download and install. Okay?